everybody and welcome to my channel. So in my video today I show you how I create a set of UV gel nails using tips. Here are the products that I used. So these are the products that I used today. These are the tips that I applied to my nails. They're from Pro Impressions and they are the Advanced Natural Smile tips, and they are no well tips, so there's no filing involved with those, which is what I love. And then for the gel I used my missubeauty UV gel, the clear, because I was going to apply some glitter. The gel brush that I used is from Crystal Nails. It's a number 6 brush. And this is the glitter that I used on my nails. It's like a purple, but it's got lots of different colours in there. If you can see, it's like iridescent. It's gorgeous, and that's what it looked like in my little pot. So here are my nails, and if you would like to see how I created this look, then keep watching. So I'm just applying my primer to my nails, and the primer that I'm using is from missubeauty. So I just start off with a very thin layer of my builder gel and I cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And so with my second coat of the builder gel, I just apply it to my nail and then I sprinkle on some of my glitter and then I cure them all in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And so now I just encapsulate that with my clear UV gel and cure again in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So using my e-file, I just file and buff all my nails and just go around the cuticle area just to make sure that there is no lifting on the nails. And so to finish off, I'm just applying some UV gel top coat to my nails, and I cure it in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So here are my nails all finished. I really appreciate you watching this video, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed it. So thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a massive thumbs up as usual. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you had any suggestions for me, if you have any suggestions, sorry, of some designs that you would like me to give a go, then I will do so. Please leave me a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget, I do have a discount code for the products for you all on the missubeauty website, so that will be in the description below, along with any items that I used today. So thank you so much for watching my video today, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.